Hey guys, Chip here. So I want to talk about a new productivity enhancement that I've been working on for a bit. And it's actually really cool. One of my most favorite workflow helpers. It has to do with this end panel over here. So as you know, you probably have a similar situation that I do where you have a ton of add-ons, and many of the add-ons reside over here in the end panel, and you have to scroll through them, tilt your head sideways and try and find the one. You're basically hunting for the one that you want to choose. And Blender doesn't provide a way for you to move these add-ons around or rename them. And we had a product called Simple Tabs that did that, but with it came a couple other issues. And we're going to be deprecating Simple Tabs in favor of this new way of handling things. The new way of handling things is menu over here now that you can just click on this little heart and access any one of the add-ons that you select, just by clicking here and just selecting them. Now we can rename this menu, we can move these up and down, and we can even, using Shift tilde, I can access this from literally anywhere. This is a great feature and something that's only been able to be done since Blender 4.2. Now let's take a look at preferences. The first thing I'm going to jump into is this key map. If you search by name and just type in simple, you can reset this from Shift tilde to anything you want, right? Also, remember when you install this, just drag and drop the zip file right in here and it'll automatically install. Once it's installed, you can come in here and hit this Reset Panel List button. What it does is it wipes out all the orders that you've saved and any renaming you've done to any of these tabs and saves a brand new preferences. A refresh is here in case you add a new add-on, but you don't want to change all the labels that you've created for it or the order. So let me explain what I'm talking about. So if I go over here, here's KitOps, right? So I'm going to punch it to the top and this little button says copy. It copies it over here and I'll just change this to say KitOps, just like that. So now you can see it's at the very top of our list. Now we may want to have tool and view. So we'll go down to view, move it to the top, and tool, move it to the top. If we look over here, tool and view, maybe item also. Item probably needs to be the top also. We can order this however we want to, and it saves automatically. So let's talk about when you remove an add-on. I'm going to go over here and here's QuickShot. I'm going to turn it off. I don't want to reset the panel because I already have a customized list order and a customized labels. So I want to hit the refresh panel. This QuickShot's at the bottom. I hit refresh and now you see it's gone. Conversely, if you want to add QuickShot, do this and then refresh panel list. Now it's going to show up. In this case, we have two menus in QuickShot. Sometimes it'll get confused and it depends on how the programmer wrote it. So we grab both of them just in case. But I happen to know that if I go over here and grab this bottom one, I'm going to get this error right here. So I need to actually use this one right here for QuickShot to work. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take this bottom one and just delete that right there. And then it'll be fine. And it just automatically saves itself again. When you think about it, this is really the only add-on that you need to manage this whole end panel. It's just super easy to set up, super easy to use. You can rename and reorder any of these menu items, and you'll never end up having to search through this end panel again. Check it out. You can get it on Blender Market, soon to be on Gumroad as well. We'll hope to see you online. Thanks for watching.